In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw circuit and electrical diagrams with SmartDraw. SmartDraw is a versatile tool that allows you to create detailed diagrams effortlessly, and I'm here to guide you through the entire process. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open up SmartDraw in your web browser. If you don't have a SmartDraw account yet, I recommend signing up, as it will unlock a range of features that are ideal for creating professional-looking diagrams. Once you're on the SmartDraw homepage, look for the option to create a new document. This is your starting point, and from here we'll dive into the world of engineering diagrams. After you click on New Document, move on to the Engineering section. This is where SmartDraw consolidates all its resources and tools specifically catered towards engineering projects, including circuit and electrical diagrams. SmartDraw really makes it easy by providing you with a wide array of templates to choose from. Select the one that best fits your current project needs. Whether you're working on a simple layout or something more complex, there's likely a template that will suit your objectives perfectly. Once you've chosen a template, you'll see that SmartDraw has pre-populated it with some basic items, but the real power here is in its flexibility. At this stage, you can start customizing your diagram. One of the key benefits of SmartDraw is its extensive library of symbols. Simply click to add any symbols that are relevant to your circuit diagram. Whether you need resistors, capacitors, or batteries, you'll find what you need right at your fingertips. Now, beyond symbols, you might need to add a variety of elements such as shapes, lines, or text to provide additional detail or context to your diagram. This feature allows you to annotate your work, highlight specific areas, or demonstrate connections more clearly. SmartDraw's intuitive interface makes it easy to align and arrange these elements precisely, ensuring that your diagram is not only accurate but also aesthetically pleasing. Once you've completed your masterpiece, it's time to export your diagram. This feature is especially useful as it allows you to save your work in various formats suitable for presentations, printing, or even for sharing with a team. Click on the Export button and choose the format you desire. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to creating circuit and electrical diagrams using SmartDraw. With its user-friendly interface and robust set of features, you're now equipped to bring your design ideas to life. Thanks for joining me today, and don't forget to explore more of what SmartDraw has to offer for your engineering needs. Happy designing!